Hello everyone, it is Dani and welcome to this video. And so guys, in this video we're going to be talking about our Invest 92E not yet depression, and we have a new disturbance, and we're also going to be making mention of the GFS still trending towards something developing in the vicinity of the Caribbean and probably making its way to the US. We'll talk about it later down in this video. And so guys, before I go into details, okay guys, and so let's kickstart things with our newly highlighted area for potential development. So this, as you're seeing, is given a little 30% chance to have a tropical cyclone developing during the next 5 days. And actually this chance might increase if conditions are going to be favorable. So a low pressure area is expected to form in that vicinity just off Central America, guys. So that's the reason you're not seeing that X like how we're seeing for Invest 92E, because that low pressure area has not yet developed. But when it does so, it has a chance of developing further into a tropical cyclone. And so the next name after Carlos is Dolores, and if we have 92E becoming Carlos maybe sometime early this week, then this system, if conditions remain favorable, will have a chance of becoming Dolores. And so guys, now let us go on to the satellite imagery of our system here, and we are seeing that it is not the best in terms of organization, but it's getting better organized. So we don't have much convection going off to the east and southeast of the center of the system, but as I said, it's getting there. So slowly but surely we're going to be having this system developing. And so in terms of the model intensity guidance, we have quite a few models. Most are agreeing that this will achieve tropical storm status 1, taking it up to being a strong tropical storm near a Cat 1, but I highly doubt that it will achieve hurricane status at this point. And then looking at the model track guidance, we have our models here agreeing on a general west to maybe a bit of west-southwestward movement from this system here, guys. So fortunately, it's not going to be a threat to land, but we still have the potential that it could still develop into our tropical cyclone. And so guys, now let's go on to GFS. And so this is by Tuesday the 15th of June, and so there we have a low pressure area, probably a tropical storm at that point in the northwestern Caribbean. That is very, very interesting, about to cross between the Yucatan and Cuba. And so going further out with GFS, we are seeing here that the system is getting stronger. The pressure is at 980 millibars, and it is just over the western edge of Cuba, making its way to the Gulf. And so this is Thursday the 17th of June, and it's showing that system a 971 millibar low pressure system making its way over Florida. So could this be the outcome? It is possible. Note that I say possible, but it doesn't have to take place, guys. We don't even have to have development. But the thing is that GFS has been trending towards this for quite a while now, even though it's been changing with where the system might go or what the intensity might be. It is consistent that something might develop in the vicinity of the Caribbean. And during the month of June, this is the general track of systems. They generally make their way from the Caribbean up to the Gulf and might affect the US, guys. And so let's hope that if this is the scenario, the system isn't too strong, hopefully. And I think the lowest GFS shows this system is a 969 millibar low pressure system. So that's probably a strong Cat 1 or probably a Cat 2. But in terms of the other models, they're not picking up on that same occurrence as GFS is. Looking at Euro for its latest model run, this is Tuesday the 15th of June, and it isn't showing anything forming in the Caribbean, but it does show a bit of activity just along the western coast of Central America, guys. And so we just have to wait and see what the outcome is going to be, guys. Again, nothing is guaranteed to take place, but it is important that we talk about it, guys. And so I will keep you updated as time goes by. And so if you found this video to be quite informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I'll try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And just remember to always be weatherwise.